I'm Lady Hayes. I'm a designer. I'm based in Toronto. I do some flower crowns, and I've created a product called Petal Pops, and this is my home. I live here with my husband and my two little girls. I have a 3-year-old and I have a 1-year-old, Goldie and Coco. My personal style, I like rock and roll, have a little bit of bohemian. My husband really likes classic stuff, so we have a lot of retro things from the 50s. I love flowers. We have tons of plants. I work with silk flowers for my flower crowns, but I also do fresh. I've been incorporating lots of plants and trying not to kill them, so. I do a lot of antiquing. I have a 1950s hairdresser chair. I found it when I was 15 years old, so I've been carting it around for a very long time. It's gone everywhere with me. We have some amazing art pieces. We have a giant snake, and I think when we bought it, I remember it being 4 feet, and then when it came home, it was about 9 feet. My husband Matt's a photographer, so we like to showcase his photography, and getting really big prints and stuff is always very exciting because on Instagram everything's so small, and then when you get big prints like this, then it's nice to see all the details that you can't see. We have a wall of glass up on our loft, and when I was thinking about how to design it up there, I just wanted to make sure that we had light coming through because that's really important, especially we're both photographers, so we're very conscious of light. And then we just like the way it looks from the back. Anywhere you kind of stand, there's like cool little vignettes everywhere. It's like a dissection of our house, and you can see inside, like a little dollhouse almost. We originally had just one section of our loft upstairs, so we decided to expand it and do a reno there, just so that we didn't have to move. I wanted to build some bedrooms to kind of accommodate everyone. The bathroom was small before. We didn't have a bathtub, actually. We had a little baby tub in there for about a year of Goldie's life, and then we actually got a tub from a photo shoot. A lot of room to sit and bathe the girls. It's about an hour of our day usually, so we spend a lot of time in there. Everything's white on the walls, and the floor is white, and I have just lots of nice little things. Our upstairs bedroom, I just wanted to feel very cozy and comfortable. Lots of whites on whites and some creams in there as well. I like texture too. When I'm working with whites, I like to make sure that I've got some stripes or some ruffles and furs and all sorts of different textures. I think it reads well. I think it's fun for them, I hope. They love playing with like the hairdresser chair. Our big panther's name is Gary, and I don't know, it's gonna be their normal, but it's fun for them. They have lots of cool things to look at and play with. I think we'll have this place for as long as we can.